Double-braided exterior is 30x more durable than ordinary cables. Tested to survive 30,000 plus bends. Ultra-flexible silicone technology resists tangling and kinking. Includes a cable strap with magnetic clip and a metal plate for easy mounting anywhere and to keep things tidy. MFi-certified for iPhone and iPad. Update your charging cable to our BoostCharge Pro Flex braided silicone cables. Not only are they up to 30x more durable than ordinary cables, but they are also ultra-flexible, giving you a long-lasting charging solution that resists tangling and fraying. Its magnetic cable management system allows easy storage and mounting. Withstands up to 30,000 bends based on internal laboratory test result, compared with 1,000 bends for an ordinary PVC cable. Top reviews from the United States. Great cord for an iPhone. This is a very high-quality product. I especially like the cord wrap for travel, even though it's a bit loose even with the whole cord tightly wound. The cord is really long, which I wanted. It's also very thick material. I've made the mistake a few times of either not buying an Apple cord or one certified from Apple, and have had two break inside the charging port on my phone. Once the Apple help desk was able to repair my phone, but the second time I had to buy a brand new phone. Word of warning to all. Either buy one like this that's certified by Apple, or buy direct from Apple. These products are slightly more expensive, but not as expensive as replacing your phone. I am happy with this cord and would buy again. I've had other Belkin products and been happy with them all.